Step into the 2013 Volkswagen Touareg. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and power seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.